Besides it being required for some contracts, the biggest reason cleaning professionals get insurance is to protect themselves from common risks like property damage, third-party injuries, and accusations of theft. Hi, I'm Megan with Insurance Canopy. Today, we're going over some real-life claims from cleaning professionals that might make you think twice about the importance of business insurance. Let's start with Tony's claim. Even though he took the right precautions on his commercial job site, like putting up caution signs, someone passing by slipped and fell while on their way to work. Unfortunately, they were seriously hurt and their medical bills added up to $2,200. Now, let's talk about Julieta, a housekeeper. During a routine cleaning of her client's home, she accidentally applied the wrong cleaning product to a rag, permanently damaging an expensive china hutch. This led to a $2,500 claim for the repair. Another challenge in the cleaning business is dealing with accusations of employee dishonesty. For example, during one of Melissa's cleaning shifts, a client's smart car keys went missing, and they immediately blamed one of her employees. Since the keys were never found, Melissa was on the hook to cover the $250 replacement. Luckily, all these cleaning professionals had coverage with Insurance Canopy to help with their claims, and they were able to keep working without stressing over a major financial hit. Having the right coverage and company on your side can make a world of difference in bouncing back from claims like these. Here at Insurance Canopy, we can help protect you from these types of claims starting at just $39 a month. We offer general liability insurance, tools and equipment coverage, janitorial bonds, workers' compensation coverage, cyber liability coverage, and the option to add additional insureds. Visit us at insurancecanopy.com for more information, and thanks for watching.